Hi, my name is Isaac Reinwald.
V. Marshall, Addison Branch, Paige Simpson, Rainey Noel,
Bruce Taylor,
Alex, Brooksy Garza,
Lauren,
Chris Calatiers. I am pursuing my bachelor's in environmental sciences.
Soil Science major, Environmental Science, Soil and Water Emphasis major,
Soil Science major,
Plant Sciences major,
Plant science student.
Environmental Science major,
Environmental Science.
Environmental Science major here at Mizzou, and I am really excited to be going to Modesto, California.
At the competition, I really had no idea what was going on until I kind of started to learn it. And as I did, we started the practice pits and we learned about soil morphology, land formation, characteristics of the soil around us, and all of those kind of helped to put everything that I've learned about plants into a better context.
Through soil judging, I've been able to succeed professionally, academically, socially. Been offered internships at places like Forest Service, USDA, graduate programs, all sorts of things, just because I know people and people really value soil judgers and how we go out into the field and see soil for ourselves and really see the effects of agriculture and understand like our food systems and how all those things play together.
With soil judging, I have learned more than I've learned in any lab or any lecture hall. I've gone on to use that knowledge with internship through the NRCS in Nebraska, and it has come really handy the kind of work there in formulating conservation plans with knowledge of soil and its functions and its mechanics.
Being on the Mizzou soil judging team has taught me so much about soil science, and it's given me a really good opportunity to see these things in person and get to have so much hands-on experience with that. And that's been really helpful in my current job. And I currently work for the USDA Agricultural Research Service, which has an office here at Mizzou. And it's been really neat to intertwine my soil science knowledge with the crop, soybean and corn research that I do at my job.
One of the things that has really helped me is I've gotten a lot better at identifying how different soils are created and how they're made, and I want to go into studying soils on other planets, so I think that would be super useful to know a little bit more about how it forms and things like that.
The soil judging was a really good opportunity to actually learn some hands-on experience as opposed to just learning in a classroom, because once you're actually out in the field, things are far different than just going through lectures or slides or anything like that. Deep dive into a soils course, there's different horizontations, suborders, parent materials, all kinds of different things. To get hands-on experience and to see it firsthand, it really kind of made it more of a big picture as opposed to a bunch of different little pieces coming together.
So Alex came to our class and said, "Hey, this is soil judging team, gives you really good hands-on experience." And I was like, this was right as I switched my major, so I was like, I'll do anything to get more information. And since then I've been hooked. I want to use it to travel around, get different experience with different climates, how their soil around the US changes and how that can affect different types of crop communities.
I want to join soil judging because I think it would give me a greater advantage in job opportunities in the future if I wanted to pursue a career in soil conservation or get my state morphology license. And I think it would help me in the conservation field because it would increase my skills of texturing soils and learning how to just judge based off of soil types of an area. Teaches younger people the skills that you wouldn't typically get even from most jobs that you could get. I think it's important that you can have a place where you can sort of do competition against other schools and compete for just basically learning new things and improving your skills and knowledge in soil.
Hello, my name is Lindsay Anderson, and I graduated from Mizzou in 2019, and I'm now a soil scientist of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Natural Resources Conservation Service, where I serve 32 counties in southwest Missouri. Here I am coming from a Goss soil pit here in the Springfield Plateau. The skills I learned in soil judging play a major role in my professional career where I complete on-site soil investigations for landowners. There is no better replacement for the hands-on experience soil judging gives students in terms of reading a landscape and understanding how it formed. Understanding the landscape is critical to better manage natural resources. Some of the best conservationists I work with took soil judging in college. Traveling for soil judging exposes students to landscapes across the U.S., allowing them to see a diversity of soils and land uses. It also makes them more competitive in job applications. For example, I recently applied and was accepted for a temporary work assignment in Utah mapping soils. This was a highly sought-after position, and having soil judging on my resume definitely helped me receive the detail. On the job, I relied heavily on experience in soil judging in drier climates to complete the work. I can't speak highly enough of soil judging as a positive impact on my professional and personal life. It shaped me as a soil scientist and has better prepared me for my job working with farmers in Missouri. Soil judging creates better natural resources specialists and conservationists, ready to serve Missouri with a deeper understanding of the landscape and how to manage its natural resources.